is lesson number 2 from our beginning sign language class, and in this video we will look at the ABCs. A, B, C, D, make sure it's only one finger pointing up, E, F, because you confound yourself with these, yes? G, H, I, J. Palm up, finger out and to the same side. K, make sure your middle finger is forward and your thumb is in between. L, M, make sure 3 fingers are over that thumb. M, N, make sure 2 fingers are over the thumb. O, P is an upside down K. Q is an upside down G. R, S, T, you can see the T in between the first and the middle finger. U, V, W, X, Y, and Z is palm down, finger out and to the opposite side. Okay, do it with me again. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good, good. Okay, now what am I spelling? Again. Okay, tell me in comments, and if you like this and it helped you, please let me know by liking it. Okay, see you in lesson number 3. Bye.